He's so cute.
Bonjour. I am juggling fruit. Today we're going to be saying the translations for les fruits, the fruits.
Vocabulaire, les fruits.
Je suis en train de jongler avec les fruits.
Les fruits.
What I said is I am juggling with.
The fruits, les fruits.
Next up is
Framboise. Framboise.
framboise. Framboise. Framboise.
How do you do the ah?
That's good how you're doing it. So R in French is not R. R in French is that is correct. Framboise. Framboise.
Framboise. Framboise.
Framboise.
Framboise.
You do the R's very well there. With the fr. It's not fr. It's fr. And you do very well with that.
Framboise.
Kiwi. Les kiwis.
Kiwi.
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 Good job.
Pastèque. La pastèque.
How do you say watermelon?
Pastèque.
Did you just
Pastèque. 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 Pastèque.
how do you say watermelon?
Pastèque.
You just said not steak.
Well, yeah, it does sound like I said not steak, yeah.
Not steak is ba steak.
That's true. Okay, you got me there. Got me on technicality.
Bus steak. Bus steak. Bus steak.
Can you say that again?
Bus steak.
Good. Pastèque. 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 Pastèque.
Bus steak.
What else is there?
La prune.
Prunes.
Prune.
Prune is prune.
Prune.
Une.
Une. Prune. Prune. Prune.
Une. Prune.
Good job.
Inca.
La mangue.
What about manga?
Mang.
Manga.
Mang.
Mong. Mong.
Mang. Mang.
Can you take that wig off, please?
Melon. Le melon. Melon.
Melon.
Me.
Long.
Melon. Melon.
Long.
Melon. Pomme. La pomme.
What else do we have? Bum. Ba.
Bum. Bum. Bum.
Good job.
Banane. La banane.
Banane.
Banane. Ba. Ah.
Ba. Ah. Banane.
Banane.
Cool.